Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to show you around this lovely 2018 18-plate Mercedes C43 AMG 4MATIC. Now, fantastic cars. Obviously, the C43 is a 3-litre V6 petrol engine vehicle producing just under 400 brake horsepower. It's a bi-turbo engine, so fantastic power delivery through that 9-speed box. It's a 4MATIC, meaning it's a permanent 4-wheel drive system, so it just grips the road very, very well. Now, the lovely thing about these cars, sticking into comfort mode, you're driving, cruising, really silky smooth through the gearbox. Obviously, flicking into Sport Plus, and it just changes into a beast. This particular car is finished in Obsidian Black metallic, which is one of the most desirable colours for these vehicles. Then we've got a full exterior night package, so places where you'd normally find chrome, they're blacked out. We're riding on these nice 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with the gloss black detailing in the centres. Obviously AMG scripts on the brake calipers. We've got the bi-turbo 4MATIC badges to the wings. Gloss black window surrounds. We've got a full panoramic glass roof, so that's tilting and sliding. Sportier styling cues, so to the boot we've got this nice boot lip spoiler, which I think looks fantastic. We've still got the AMG badging, C43, nice quad exhaust tips, a dynamic lower diffuser. The cars look superb. And then jumping inside, I think you'll agree this is a lovely contrast. So the ebony black is coupled with this lovely sort of Rosso red grained leather sport seats. They look absolutely fantastic. Now you can tell this car's truly been cherished by the previous owners. It's never been smoked in, no signs of any rips, tears, no smells of any pets. This is a nice car. This is a premium model as well, so the premium does give you the panoramic glass roof. The premium then also gives you the freeway memory heated front seats. So ideal if you're looking to share this car with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. Press of a button and that will fully adjust then the seats, the steering wheel and the mirrors to exactly how you want it. Now we'll jump inside, we'll start it up. I'll show you through some of the key features inside. So it is push button start, so I've got both keys in my pocket right now. The vehicle is supplied with 2 keys. Now you can actually pop this button out and use it as a normal key, stick it in and turn it, but if you want to be fancy you can keep the key inside there. So foot on the brake, press the starter button, rumbles into action straight away. But then once you're inside, it's a lovely fit and finish. So we're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. We've got part perforated bits on there, obviously bright silver detailing all throughout the car as well. We've got the flappy paddles allowing you to drive the car manually if you choose to do so. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear. Automatic lights, parking assist sensors are there as well. All your volume media controls are found up on there. We've got our cruise control and speed limiter, fully electric steering column thanks to the premium specification. And now, as we're doing this video today, this vehicle has only covered a mere 17,783 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the center display, you get this nice big screen in the middle. We've got our satellite navigation found up on there. We've got our full DAB radio, so all of the extended channels. We've got our multimedia as well, so that's your Bluetooth phone. If I click through to telephone, that will give you the other features. So you've got internet, you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and Mercedes-Benz Link as well. You've got all your car settings, vehicle information, drive select. So the whole drive select system is very nice and easy to use. You can have an individual drive select as well, which allows you to adjust the engine, suspension, the steering and the climate control to exactly the way that you want it. Now we've got Sport Plus, we've got Sport, Comfort and Eco. Now flicking it from Comfort to Sport Plus, you definitely feel a difference in drive. Definitely a rawer drive in the car. You've got all your climate control settings, so it's a dual zone climate. Central cup holders, 12-volt power outlet. We've got the locking wheel nut within there as well. That's an important thing that most people forget about. Dynamic drive select. You've got the manual gearbox, which you can engage as well. Suspension settings, so you've got AMG ride control, so you've got comfort, sport, sport plus. Volume controls on and off for the infotainment screen. Central armrest, that's in nice order, and within there you've got quite a bit of storage. But the fit and finish inside is superb. I'll just quickly show you through to the rear seats. So to the back, exact same story. I'd say probably very frugally used. You've got a lovely central armrest with 2 cup holders which pop out like so. Bit of central storage within there as well. Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. You get rear vents in the back, so you get the full benefit of the climate control and air conditioning. Back of the front seats, they've not been kicked or scratched. But a fantastic looking car. To say it's a sports model, it still looks quite classy in the fact that the colour combination looks superb, the black with the red. You've still got that element of bright silver detailing to the exterior, so just on the uppers of the door handles, that little bit on the centre grille and the diamond turned alloy wheels. In my opinion, this is a lovely looking car. So, if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, please do get in touch. My name's Dominic. We've got Graham and Lee in the showroom. Any one of us would be happy to help you. If you'd like anything further, a personalised video, more images, please do get in touch. We'll happily do that for you. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. We're a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews, which are all from verified buyers. So I'd recommend having a look at those. We do have a lot of customers who do travel the distance to collect their vehicles. We sell a lot of cars to London, Scotland, and even abroad. So, thank you for watching the video. Anything further, you can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and I look forward to your inquiry.